Hey everyone, how's everything going? Hopefully all of you are making good money scrapping. So I had a friend who got a little angry at his TV, kind of smashed the screen. So this guy here, I think it's about 42 inches. Unfortunately, the screen is cracked, at least the internal screen thing. I think it's called a digitizer or something. That's busted up. In my area, no one wants these. Usually it's a power supply or a board that's broken, people might buy them. But once the screen is actually cracked, no one wants them. And I'm pretty sure this is an older TV. Also, I think it looks kind of like a HDMI, sorry, not HDMI, a LCD plasma TV. So people don't really care for these anymore either. So I'm gonna open this guy up and see what's inside. I'm not sure what's in here. I've never opened one before. But let's have some fun. So we got a nice hunk of cable, power cable. Now let's unscrew all the screws. There's plenty of these screws. Got for electric screwdrivers and drills, because this would have taken forever to unscrew. I think I got all of them. There was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's about 14 screws to unscrew. So definitely would have really sucked if for some reason you didn't have an electric screwdriver. Okay, is there one more screw somewhere maybe that we forgot? Not that I can see. There you go. So you get a big useless hunk of plastic. And this is pretty much what you get. There's not too much in this stuff from what I know. Let's see. So we have this should be the power supply. I didn't find any parts for this I didn't find any parts for sale for this specific model TV, unfortunately. So not much you can do there about selling the parts. Like I said, I'm guessing this TV is a little too old for it to be worth anything in parts, but I'm gonna check it out again just in case. Now that it's open with part numbers, you might be able to find another use for it, for a power supply to work on another model TV.